This is why you need to know if your dog is sick. Spotting the signs early can make all the difference. Here are 5 quick signs your dog might not be feeling their best. Number 1, check their appetite. If your pup is skipping meals or losing weight, something could be up. Number 2, look at their energy levels. A suddenly lazy dog might be more than just a couch potato. Number 3, inspect their coat. A rough, dull coat can signal health issues. Number 4, pay attention to their bathroom habits. Diarrhea or trouble peeing, time to call the vet. Number 5, listen to their breathing. Fast, slow, or wheezy breathing isn't normal. Catch these signs early and keep your dog healthy and happy. Like and follow for more helpful doggy tips. Woof, woof!